Hey Gators, Miss Hartman here. You may be noticing that this video and your lessons for week 2 of virtual learning are being posted a little early. That's because next Friday is actually Good Friday. So because we have a holiday at the end of next week, we're posting everything a little early for you guys. So I wanted to set you guys off for success for this upcoming week. For each of the videos going forward, I am going to start them with a challenge that I had submitted to you guys earlier. So that challenge was to come up with some bad science jokes. Since we're not at the school, we can't hear Mr. Mack's lovely Bad Joke Wednesday. So I submitted a challenge to you guys to come up with some bad jokes. So the first bad joke I'm going to give you guys was submitted to me by Sophia in my 5th period class. Why can't you trust atoms? Because they make up everything. So if you have some bad jokes and you haven't submitted any over to me yet, you'll see them in the week 0 folder. I posted that folder before we had everything finalized for this whole virtual learning which we're doing now. So back to what you need to have for next week. So if I go to one of my classes, this is my 1st period class. Oh, that's the bad joke. Here we go, 1st period. Virtual learning. We're all learning through this, guys. So you'll notice, first of all, that I did clean up your classes a little bit. So I still have the norms at the top, but then as you go down, everything from before, I put into this all materials from August to March 6th folder. Now I know it says you must complete. Why it did that, I'm not sure, but that's everything that was there before. So if you need to reference anything that we've learned prior to this virtual learning, you'll find it all in there. Just drag and drop everything right in there. So you're going to want to go to the online learning from March 30th and onward folder. And then in there, you'll see week 2 was added. Now, right now, you'll see that's a little fainter. That's because I haven't published it over yet. So when you click on week 2, you'll see I have the video message, which is what I'm recording right now. And there's a lesson 1, a lesson 2, and some extension opportunities. So for science each week, you'll see 2 lessons. You'll see that on the inside those lessons, that there are some due dates on there. Now those due dates are just for the end of that week. If you need through the weekend, no worries on that. It's all about being flexible and working with you guys on your schedules at home. So those are just for the end of the week. If you need through the weekend on them, you're good. So this is the lesson 1 folder I clicked on. You'll see at the top of every folder there's a lesson overview to kind of give you guys a heads up for that individual lesson. Now, lesson 1, you are going to have to access your online textbook. There's a couple options to get there. One is through on the side here. I'm going to scroll down, clicking on Clever. Now, when you click on Clever, it is going to say to log in with LDAP. The login with LDAP, your username and password is just your lunch number. It should be your 6-digit lunch number. And if you don't want to go through there, you can just go right to the textbook website. And that's what these directions are going to tell you there. There's a link right to the website for the textbook, and you can log in there. If you go through Clever, it's Think Central is the icon for your textbook. And your username and passwords, all that is in this direction. But I will let you guys know it is capital FBISD and your lunch number. That's your username and your password for your textbook and for your gizmos. Again, capital FBISD and the 6-digit lunch number. In order to do lesson 1, you are going to have to log into your textbook first, and there's directions how to get to exactly where we need you to go to for your online textbook. There is a link to it right down here also, but you have to be logged in first. So for lesson 1, there's the overview, there's your directions for accessing your textbook, and there's a little video on here. Some of you guys may see more than one video. They're intro videos for you guys. So again, access your textbook, watch the videos, and then we have a digital lesson for you guys. Now, when you guys are doing your digital lesson, you'll notice we have an assignment on here. In the assignment, we did give you guys on here, if I scroll down, where you can print off to write your answers as you go if you want to, or you're going to notice that there's this form that popped up in here. This is where you're going to type in your answers for all the questions along the way, going along with the online textbook. So right now I only have this one tab, and then this tab is for the recording I'm making now. but having multiple tabs open so you can switch between them is going to be really helpful. And in fact, when you click over to the next one, the lesson 2, it's going to automatically open that new tab. But having multiple tabs so you can flip back and forth, that might be helpful for you. Also, if you want to print out, if you have access to a printer, you can print out the questions so you can write them down and then just type them into the digital form. So that's going to be your lesson 1. Lesson 2, if I go over here, is going to be a gizmo. You guys should be familiar with gizmos. So we have the lesson overview there. And then we have the actual gizmo that links over to it. And there's a reminder there, your password. Again, capital FBISD and your lunch number. That's your username and your password. So you have your gizmo. Again, you'll have the form just like the previous one. So there's the form. It's to fill out the form there. It opened to a new window for some reason. It didn't load up. I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, technology figuring out. But there's all your info you have to fill in. And if you want to write out your information before you type it in, you can print it off right there. The difference from lesson 1 and lesson 2, though, is that in lesson 2, it is going to ask you to take some screenshots along the way and do some discussion board posts. And those are right below. So, again, for lesson 2, you have your lesson overview. You have your assignment, your gizmo, where you can print off the paper, fill out the form. But then you have to do 2 discussion board posts here. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on Schoology. There's also those virtual office hours, the Zoom conferences, pre-AP from 11 to 11:30, on level from 11:30 to noon. Those office hours, think of them like tutorials. They're not mandatory. If you have questions, you can submit them over though. So I hope you guys are doing well, and have a good week, Gators. See ya.